Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the RV that made me question whether I still need a mortgage. The 2025 Redwood Regency 3951BAM. This thing is so massive, I needed a map and a protein bar to explore it all. Before we dive into this rolling mansion, do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button like it's the RV bathroom door and you just ate gas station sushi. Now, back to business. The 3951BAM is a 42.11-foot, 12.8-meter, destination-style fifth-wheel RV that sleeps four, but screams couple who sold the house and never looked back. It weighs in at 12,960 pounds, 5,878.5 kilograms, with a cargo carrying capacity of 1,998 pounds. 906 kilograms, meaning you can bring all the comforts of home, plus 3 annoyed cats. What I liked the most? That kitchen. A Samsung double-door fridge, 4-burner gas range, drawer dishwasher, and a kitchen island big enough to host Thanksgiving. It even has a breakfast bar with 4 stools, perfect for judging your friend Dave's pancake skills. The living room? Giant sectional, swart TV, fireplace, and wraparound windows so your dog can judge squirrels in every direction. The entertainment wall makes even watching reruns of Gilligan's Island feel like a premiere. Up the stairs, yes, actual stairs, you'll find the bathroom, laundry room, and bedroom. The laundry station has a side-by-side washer and dryer because nothing says luxury like folding clothes while parked next to a cow pasture. The spa-like shower is so big I considered renting it out on weekends. The bedroom features a king-size bed, full wardrobe, and nightstands with soft closed drawers. Because even when you're fighting over who hogged the blanket, you shouldn't have to slam cabinets to prove a point. Standard features include 3 AC units, a 20-foot, 6-meter awning, and 54 gallons, 204 liters of freshwater storage. It also has 40 gallons, 151 liters. For gray water, which in RV terms means you can shower without rushing like a racetrack jockey. Pricing starts at $130,960. 121,000 euros, but that varies depending on options and how charming your negotiation face is. I believe it's one of the few RVs where the price tag feels justified, not just for size, but for actual livability. And yes, there's a massive underbelly storage garage with 5 access doors. More access than my neighbor Ron has to his own kids. Folks, if you want to check it out, or maybe beat Greg to the dealership for once, the link is under the video. And hey, if you laughed, learned, or just need an excuse to avoid work a few minutes longer, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than a gas station coffee and causes 80% fewer stomach problems.